Yeah. If I can burn it.
It's burning so hot there's barely any smoke.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
He showed up just in time for the fight.
Yeah, there he is.
Who's that?
That's Matt.
Huh?
Matt. Say what up, Tim.
What up? Tim?
I know, right? Tim, say what up, Tim. There he is.
Hey, Pete.
You want to come down into the middle and then come across?
Oh, that one?
That's all kind of really yucky.
Yeah, it kind of looks that way. I saved it because it's
Alright.
It's throwing some heat.
Yeah, it is.
Woo!
Go over here. Okay, it's out of the way over here. Not really. What book is that?
The Rubaiyat of Omar.
Serving. What is that?
Holy crap, that's fucking some heat right there. Holy shit. You missed.
I know I missed pretty bad.
Something McDonald's style. It's an old McDonald's pin.
Not focusing at all.
Hey, EMS has got carabiners. Is that in the mall?
No, so